Hi everyone! Today I have a surprise for you. We're gonna do unboxing for all of these bad boys. If you are as excited as I am right now, keep on watching. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello. Welcome. So today, you guys, I'm so excited because I literally saved 3 months worth of subscription boxes right here and I'm dying to open them up. Like, can you imagine 3 months without opening my boxes? I have the prices noted down on a list right here, and I'm gonna let you know the total worth of each box. So we're gonna start with Glossybox, and hopefully we're gonna find some new goodies. Yay! We are gonna start with May's subscription box from Glossybox. As you can see, it's still unopened. Lucky me. And we are gonna do the actual unboxing, and I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I see here, it's a baby face. This is weird at its finest. So this is a Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask. Instant Firming Boost. Apparently you need to add some things inside to mix it, shake it, apply it, wait for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're literally just gonna peel it off, which I would adore. I love peel-off masks rather than the one that you just wash off because it's easier. I've seen it on Instagram on so many influencer accounts and I'm dying to try it out. The next thing we have is a Berry M Flawless Chisel Shakes. Oh nice, it's a cream contour. It looks like this. I was in need of some cream contour. Natural Line Beauty Kitchen Lip Treatment. If I'm not wrong, it's just a lip ointment. Next thing we have is a Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. Extra soothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. pH balance. Leave the serum during day or night. For someone who has a really busy schedule, this is a really good addition. We have a Nailberry Loxygen Nail Lacquer, and it's in the shade Love Me Tender. It's a really nice color. Guess who's getting a pedicure? Me. So now that the box is empty, we are gonna do a total value of the box. You can get a subscription from Glossybox in the UK for £10 plus the postage. So that would work out to about, I don't know, £13, something like that. And now the total worth of the May Glossybox was £76 and 48 pence. Which it's way over what you pay for it. Next box, the June Glossybox now. The same kind of setting, but looks like this. The first thing I can see right here is an Advanced Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. I'm really curious about the consistency. Okay, so consistency is more like a water-based kind of primer. Meech and Mia eyeshadow in the number 054. Looks like this. Oh, hello. That's a nice shade of gold. Nice. Next thing we have is a sleek face foam contouring and blush palette. If we open it up, it looks like this. That looks cute. Ooh, that's very pigmented. So I definitely need to be careful with that. Next thing we have is this Brut Rose inspired. Say hooray for Rose with this Brut Rose inspired deep conditioner for color treated strands. Yes, please. The last thing we have is a Model Co lip cream, and this is in peachy nude and it's supposed to be a matte lipstick. Come on. Don't you love when they hate to come out to play? Oh, that's a nice color. Now let's give it a swatch, and this will be like this. I think this is gonna be a really beautiful one, you guys. Okay, so now that this box is all done and empty, the total worth of this box was £126 and 97 pence. It's 10 times more than you actually pay for that. Same company, Glossybox, of course. The July subscription box, yay! The holiday collection kind of had a rough travel. First thing we have is a face mask. This is a Tea Tree Witch Hazel from Boots. It's a peel-off face mask. Next thing we have is cleansing foam from Omoro Vigza. Looks like this. Nice! This is a Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. This is a little bottle. This is so cute. Okay, I love little stuff. You know, and I think it's supposed to be really big and it's actually really small, or it's made to be really small. For me, it's really cute. The next thing we have is a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Natural Bronze Body Lotion. This smells like straight on coconut. A Manakada mascara, and this is in jet black. It looks like somebody actually grabbed it and squeezed it, but it's really easy to handle. And this looks like it's your normal kind of brush. I have a blush from Manakada, so I'm saying yes to testing more products from them. That was it for July Glossybox. And this total box was worth £57.94. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the next subscription box, which is Cohorted. This is the most expensive subscription box that I could find in the UK for makeup. If you know any other subscription boxes apart from this that you know it's really good, then let me know in the comment section down below. It looks like this. Ooh, okay. I love the leaflets of Cohorted. They're so full of information. The first thing we have is a Extraordinary Oscar de la Renta Pétale Eau de Parfum. Very sweet kind of smell. You all know I'm in love with perfume, so thank you, Cohorted. Next thing we have is a Magic Stripes Magnetic Youth Mask, which looks like this. Accelerates cell renewal, prevents micro wrinkles from turning into deep wrinkles. In one word, anti-aging. It's a very big description for just saying it's anti-aging. Lancome Paris Advanced Multi-Correcting Cream. It's a very small sample. Next we have is a Douche Freematic eyeshadow in the shade Suncatcher. Nice. These are moving. Well, the pigment is not quite there. The gold one, please don't let me down, looks nice. I don't know what happened with these two colors, but these two are really good. The next thing we have is a This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. I have a orange-based serum, so freaking good. Next we have a Laura Mercier Vanilla Kiss Caviar Stick Eye Color. Looks like more of an eye base than anything. Pigmented. It's gonna do a really nice cut crease. A Ciate London Double Lines. This has a cold kajal and a precision tipped liner. Wow, this is massive. It's a nice and precise line. And the last thing we have is a Ciate London Patent Pout. This is in the shade Canoodle. This is a really nice pink. Nice. So as I said, Cohorted is one of the most expensive beauty boxes that we have in the UK. Recently, it's gonna go up to £39. Quite expensive for a subscription box, I can tell you that. But the total worth of the May beauty box was £144. A lot more than you pay for. The June beauty box now looks like this. This is the month when they started sending out the sustainable boxes made of cardboard. Yay for the planet. Hello. So you can see those are straight on full-size items. A Illamasqua Hydro Veil Gel. This is so hyped over Instagram. I don't know if you can see this, but this is literally a gel. The next thing we have is a Monoskin Gentle Cleanser. This looks like this. That's nice packaging. Rose geranium and aloe vera for dry or sensitive skin. I actually just ran out of my face cleaning products and this is so welcomed in my life. If this is gonna be good, which I think it's gonna be because this is Monoskin and I've heard good things about them. Moving on, the next thing we have a Monoskin Gentle Toner. I could see that usually Cohorted are doing like boxes with themes, if that could be, because we had last time we had like the whole box one brand and just like one little product was not it. But okay, so this smells like one of the fancy kind of toners, you know what I mean. And I really appreciate the packaging, Monoskin. This is nice. Again, a Monoskin product. This is a moisture-rich collagen cream. Collagen, welcome. Hello. A rich, luxurious cream to relieve dryness and smooth fine lines. That sounds perfect. Next thing we have is a Botanical Alchemy Amli Silver Reach Face Mist. I think this is one of those sprays that are meant to help you sleep. Next thing we have is a CLE melting lip powder. I'm gonna do a swatch in here. This looks like it's gonna be a really messy situation. Next thing we have is a Born Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. So this is a perfume roller. Super fresh kind of perfume. A Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Metallic Lipstick. Ooh, I've seen this on Instagram. But I think, aren't these like the Christmas collection or something? I'm gonna research it and let you know. Yeah, it's definitely more of a gloss than anything. So now the June Cohorted box is worth £187. Guys, that's so hugely different than what you pay for. You always get like really nice high-end products, so definitely quality products. This is the last box that we have to unbox, you guys. I can't believe we've been to 5 subscription boxes already. This is again one of the sustainable boxes, which I'm so appreciative of it. She's really pretty. The first thing I can see is a Patchology Flash Patch Wink and Kiss 5-minute eye and lip gels. Okay, clarifying pink fizz T-zone bubble mask. So is that kind of thing that you put on your face and then it creates bubbles after some time? Because if so, this looks really good. Another OK mask. This is a purifying pink clay sheet mask. This is another kind of mask that I love to wear. Herbal Dynamics Beauty Rose Water Calming Face Toner, and this is really pink. Contains aloe vera, green tea, witch hazel and chamomile. Next thing we have is a Jorgobe Hydrating Glow Serum. Looks like this. It's a really simple packaging. Okay, so it's a little thingy. Ooh, this seems really posh. A Pericone MD Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment. Blue Plasma is one skincare ingredient that is really expensive from what I know, so I'm excited to try this out. Next thing we have is a Bali Balm, and this comes off. Nice packaging, man. Next thing we have is a BDK perfume. Posh and very strong fragrance, if that makes sense. Okay, the next thing we have is a Herbal Dynamics Beauty Volumizing and Smoothing Rapid Lip Mask. And if we take the god off, oh my god, this is so pink. I'm excited to give that a try. Does it do anything? Get fuller looking lips that last for hours. I wonder if this is kind of a plumping kind of thing. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? A Aromatherapy Support Breathe Bath and Shower Oil. This is a Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Okay, so the same thing like that one, but this is a Revive Morning. Okay, so now that we finished the last Cohorted subscription box, this was the July box. The total worth of this box is £153.50, which is again a really quite difference from what you pay for it. Oh my god, if you could see my beauty table right now, it's looking insane. It's so full of goodies. Oh my god, like 3 months, 2 subscription boxes, kind of loads of products. I'm so excited. Like, those perfumes are smelling so good, and I don't know, the cleansing gels and the face products and the lipsticks and everything is so good. I'm so excited about that this works. And again, this is so weird. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You might like what you're gonna find in there. Yay! So until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Mew.